Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today, I want to walk you through a real issue I helped someone fix, and it's more common than you think.
The user told me, my printer keeps saying add printer paper.
But the tray is full. Now here's what made it interesting.
The printer detected paper,
You could actually hear the feed mechanism trying to grab a sheet.
but nothing would pull through and the error just stayed there. So I explained something important.
This usually isn't a sensor failure, I told them.
It's either sticky paper, dirty pickup rollers, or just a temporary glitch. And then we started step by step.
I said, let's start simple. Remove all the paper from the tray. They pulled the stack out.
Now find it like a deck of cards. Separate the sheets. Static link can cause them to stick together.
After that, I said,
Reload the stack, keep it below the maximum fill line. Then I added, slide the paper guide snug against the edges not tight enough to bend the paper. We tried printing.
still the error, so we moved deeper. I told them, turn the printer off, unplug it from the wall and from the printer. And this part is important. Wait a full 60 seconds. While it was unplugged, I had them open and close the paper tray and look inside carefully.
Check for tiny torn pieces of paper, I said. Even a small scrap can block the feed path. Everything looked clear. Plug it directly into the wall, no power strip, and turn it back on. We listened. Normal startup sounds. But when they tried printing again,
The error came back.
that's when I knew exactly what it was. I explained. The printer is trying to grab the paper, but the rollers probably don't have enough grip, so I had them power it off and unplug it again. Look inside where the tray inserts. They found the rubber pickup rollers. Take a lint-free cloth. Lightly dampen it with water, only no soap, no alcohol. Gently wipe the rollers.
Rotate them if possible and clean all sides.
After cleaning, we waited a few minutes for them to dry completely. Then we powered the printer back on.
They printed a test baguette this time. The printer grabbed the sheet instantly, no hesitation, no grinding sound, no add paper error, and I explained why it worked. When rollers get dusty or slightly worn, they lose grip. Cleaning restores traction, and the power reset refreshes the sensor.
Default TISO if your printer says add printer paper, but the tray is clearly loaded. Fan and reload the paper to a full power reset in the pickup rollers. This fixes most faults. No paper errors without replacing anything, and if the issue keeps coming back,
The rollers may need replacement. If this helps you, subscribe to the channel. Break down real printer problems into simple fixes you can actually do yourself. See you in the next one.